Hey y'all, and welcome to today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Who is ready for some FabFitFun winter spoilers? I know I am, and I'm sure you are too. You guys, the FabFitFun fall box was absolute garbage. Let's be real. They are giving it away right now for 50% off, which is actually worth it then for $20, but not the $50 price value. Wait, no, it's 25 because half of 50 is 25. Math is hard. Anyways, here's some spoilers today for the winter box. I think this one is going to be a little bit better, at least based off of these spoilers so far. And then they have new changes. But we'll get into that. So if you guys like spoiler videos, unboxings, eyeshadow looks, me, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And don't forget to enter my giveaway. I'm doing a Jeffree Star Cosmetics giveaway. I will have a link down below. Go enter after this video, and let's go ahead and get into the spoilers. Okay, so spoiler number one. So this is going to be a FabFitFun collab with Somerville. So she has a really good skincare brand, and I haven't tried anything from her yet, but I do really want to. So this is the Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, and this has a retail value of $65. So I think the packaging is really pretty, and hopefully this moisturizing cream is going to be very moisturizing, because this is going to help out with your skin during the winter time and it gets all dry. So for this being in a winter box, I love it. This is gonna hopefully keep your skin nice and hydrated for the dry months. So the next spoiler is from Unhide for Love Not Fur. So this is a Unhide Lil Marshmallow throw blanket. This has a retail value of $65. I think it's a very pretty blanket. I love any kind of blanket. I have a throw on my couch at all times, usually 2 at a time, because I'm cold no matter what time of year it is, and I really like this blanket. It might get dirty if you have an animal or a child, because it is like a beigey cream off-white color, but you know what, who cares? It looks like it's gonna be very soft, and I don't know. That seems like something really exciting to have in your box, especially for winter, to get nice, comfy, and cozy with a blanket. And then the other spoiler is the Jonathan Adler. I think that's how you say his name. This is a candle. This is the Fleur de Sel ceramic candle. I hope I said that right. Probably not. And this has a retail value of $48. Jonathan, let's be real. Why are you selling a candle for $48? I don't know you, but that's a little crazy. So what's up? So this is just a basic ceramic candle. It doesn't look like there's even anything on the candle. No images, no words, nothing. And then it's just the candle. Me and my mother have been looking into making candles ourselves, and the price of making candles isn't actually that much. So I bet he's making a lot of money if he's selling these candles. But personally, I wouldn't spend $48 on a candle. But if I got it in a subscription box, I wouldn't cry about it like my bank account would if I actually went out and bought it. So yeah, this is a scented candle. So yeah, that's a spoiler. Again, this is cute for winter because, you know, get cozy in your blanket, light a candle. It's just very cozy for the season. Okay, so this other spoiler is actually really exciting. This is FabFitFun x Rebecca Minkoff. And this is a beanie and arm warmer set valued at $70. Again, great winter box so far. So I like that the gloves are fingerless, so it's just easier to do things, you know, that you need to do during the winter time. Not text, because they have texting gloves, but riding a motorcycle, no, that would still be really cold. I don't think any of my viewers probably ride motorcycles. My dad does. Anyways, I don't know, just in general, these are very, very pretty. Oh, you can wear them to like football games or any kind of sporting event, outdoor event. Super cute. Speaking of sporting games, my boyfriend wanted me to go to the Titans game this Sunday, and I told him I would go, and then I turned around and said I didn't want to go anymore because it's going to be cold, so he's really mad at me. But I don't care about football. Why would I want to go see a Titans game? Anyways, I think this is really cute, and I love the beanie and a little pom-pom on top, so this one sounds to me like it's a very good box so far. Next up, FabFitFun XR Plus Co. This is the Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner valued at $64. No! Who would ever pay that much money for shampoo? I mean, I've said this before, I barely even brush my hair, so I don't care about hair care. I use Tresemme shampoo, been doing it for years, but $64 for some shampoo. I mean, I'll take it in a subscription box, but don't ever think that I'm gonna go out and buy this after I use it up if I get this, because my God, not worth the money. I mean, it might be, but not for this girl. Never will I spend more than like $10 for a shampoo and conditioner. Am I right or am I right? Like, that's ridiculous. What is in here? Like, freaking, I don't even know. Is this gonna like cure like something? I don't know where I'm going with this. But anyways, that is all the spoilers so far for the winter box of FabFitFun. I think that the entire box does remind me of winter time, unlike the fall box, where nothing in that box other than the one scarf that was like ridiculously priced reminded me of the fall season. So I'm pretty excited that this one actually reminds me of fall. I mean winter. So they have a schedule now for the add-on and customization. So if you are a select access, so if you have select access, the add-ons start November 1st through November 5th, and customization is November 2nd through November 5th, and the build date is November 7th. Now, if you're all access, the add-ons is November 14th through November 18th. Customization is November 15th through the 18th, and the two build dates is November 20th and November 27th. Okay, so here's a little something that they said. Starting this winter, we will be implementing some exciting changes to make your membership experience more efficient and enjoyable. Back in June, we had announced our long-term shipping and billing improvement plan 193 based on the feedback we collected from many of you. We are now excited to share these plans being further put into action. So first, starting in winter, we will be moving to 3 separate billing dates, previously 2. This change will reduce the average time between billing and shipping for each of the groups. It will also help prevent shipping overlap between each groups, as we will begin shipping only one group at a time. Select members will be billed and shipped exclusively within the earliest group. So group 1 is all select. This includes APO, FPO, DPO, addresses, which will be automatically upgraded to select status to honor our active duty military. Stay tuned while we continue exploring other ways to verify military in future seasons. Group 2, the non-select members who purchase add-ons or add additional items to their box during customization, and non-select members who live in Canada, CA, UK, AK, HI, PR, Puerto Rico, Hawaii, Arkansas. I don't know geography. Anyways, and then group 3, non-select members that don't fall into group 2. So the second notable change is that we'll be launching 2 separate access windows for add-ons and customization. Select access add-ons plus customization window will be exclusively for select members. If you are an active select member, you must customize during this window. All access add-ons plus customization window will open after select access closes. Non-select members will have the exclusive opportunity to customize their box during this window. During this window, non-select members can shop add-ons which will ship with their winter box. Please note that while select members do have access to shop add-ons in the all access window, they may only purchase the specified max of the same item between both sales. For example, if a certain product has a max of 3, a select member purchased one of the product in the select access add-on window, they would only be allowed to purchase 2 of that product in the all access add-ons. They will also be subject to additional shipping fees because their main order would have already begun processing with the earlier shipping group. And then it says for a limited time, if you are a current subscriber, if you upgrade your account to annual by October 29th, you'll get a $10 in free add-on credit. So if that's something you're interested in, then do it. And if you're also interested in getting the fall box, since it is half off, you just have to use the coupon fall50 and your first box will, fall 50 and then you get the box 50% off. So I don't think I said this before, but all of these are supposedly choices. So you can add these as your choice. I haven't actually done that before, so I'm not sure how the process goes. But if you are a subscriber and know how the process goes, these are apparently like choice products that you can choose. So be aware of that. So that is it for the FabFitFun Winter Box 2019 sneak peek spoilers. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!